Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿 Gamer here with another reaction. Woo! And today, guys, the throwback continue. Throwback series continue. Don't think I forget it. No, we're still here. Got a lot more song to go through. So today we're here with Vybz Kartel, the teacher, Adija Palmer, Red Boss, with When Gyal Want Body, and the Good to Go Riddim. Some bad song upon Riddim. Elephant, Killer, Assassin. Some bad song upon Riddim. Bad song. So we're going to find another one and here where the World Boss office. Well, we know the World Boss office say, but we just go over it and try to break down some of the lyrics. And let's go!
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Intimus, Dan, big up!
Up to the time, you know it's Kartel. I know. Portmore representer. Easily. I did the teacher. Right away.
Up to the time.
When some niggas should be taking off the girls' G-string. They outside playing bingo. Roger, you know the tingo.
Some youth are waste time. When them for inside and take off the girl, them G-string, them outside playing bingo. That's enough fun to get bun. Can't know I go on Nigerian shop, you see it. Yeah, brother, when Gyal want.
The girls G-string.
When Gyal want.
They outside playing bingo. Roger, you know the tingo. When Gyal want body, if you a work, stop work. If you a study, stop study. When Gyal want body, make sure say she tan toddy. Drink baba, that's ready chuggy.
You hear that? When Gyal want body, if you a work, stop work. If you a study, brother, stop study. When Gyal want body, make sure say you tan toddy. Drink baba roots and that's where the chubby. Lord God.
Study, stop study. When Gyal want body, make sure say she tan toddy. Drink baba, that's where the chubby. When Gyal want body, beat her booba till he soddy. Beat Jackie ride any money.
When Gyal want body, beat her booba till he soddy. Beat up people. Yeah, let's go.
When Gyal want body, beat her booba till he soddy. Beat Jackie ride any money.
When Gyal want body,
them definitely no want quickie. Stiff cocky, couple icky.
When Gyal want body, them definitely no want quickie. Them want stiff cocky. Yeah, stiff cocky.
He ride any money.
When Gyal want body,
them definitely no want quickie. Stiff cocky, couple icky.
Hey, listen to me.
Gyal come a Portmore from Papi. Me stitch up her cloth on the sewing machine.
How far that she traveling? All the way from Papi, brother. All the way got Portmore across the water. She gone. What she gone for? For the boss stitch up her cloth on the sewing machine. No, not that type of cloth. No. Not that type of cloth then.
Listen me, Gyal come a Portmore from Papi. Me stitch up her cloth on the sewing machine. Me TV screen get chopping. How come Jeffersons and Walker, Texas Ranger dropping?
The man said the way him a beat up her booba, all him TV screen get dropping. All him TV screen get, yo.
On the sewing machine, me TV screen get chopping. How come Jeffersons and Walker, Texas Ranger dropping? You mad?
How come Jeffersons and Walker, Texas Ranger dropping? No TV not work. My mama tell us that the TV screen just don't get machine, you know. So, no TV not work, yeah, so. Yeah, stitch up your cloth for you. Come on, eat your comfort.
Couple icky.
Listen to me.
Gyal come a Portmore from Papi. Me stitch up her cloth on the sewing machine. Me TV screen get chopping. How come Jeffersons and Walker, Texas Ranger dropping? You mad? Stiff body bend up her spleen. She say me cocky have calcium and protein.
Stiff body blend up her spleen. She say me have calcium and protein. Me back good. Me chang. Come here, eat up my turples. I'm eating up my turples, so my back I go strong. Yeah.
Texas Ranger dropping. You mad? Stiff
body blend up her spleen.
She say me cocky have calcium and protein. She breeze cock it like a 14. From her pussy tongue not long like limousine.
She do what? She breeze cock it. She breeze. Just get to him, I say, man. Breeze. We use blow breeze. She breeze cock it. When me say it, don't me attack. She breeze cock it. Like a 14. Yeah. Cause our tongue no long like limousine. Remember limousine no long care. Remember some girl long, you know. Some girl tongue long, you know. Yeah. So big up the girl that we have the cute pum. Big up the girl that we have the cute pum pum. Big up the girl that we have the average pum pum. Still the same way. Big up the girl with the ugly pum pum. Sometimes on a phone fault, yeah, man. Ready?
You have calcium and protein. She breeze cock it like a 14.
Cause her pussy tongue no long like limousine.
When Gyal want body, if you a work, stop work. If you a study, stop study. When Gyal want body, make sure say she tan toddy. Drink baba, that's ready chuggy. When Gyal want body, beat her booba till he soddy. Beat Jackie ride any money.
When Gyal want body,
them definitely no want quickie. Stiff cocky, couple icky.
Listen me now, man.
Yo, up to the time. Gyal see me and I say them want to be mine.
Up to the time, girl see me and I say, them want to be mine. Remember say with my star number me having no now. Right now, me stop look girl, no girl look me no. So girl see me and say, yo, them want to be mine. Yeah.
Listen me again. Yo, up to the time. Girl see me and I say them want to be mine. Me even give them a dime for the up to the time. Them even say them want to be with. You know what, quickie, stiff cocky, couple leaky. Listen me again. Yo, up to the time. Girl see me and I say them want to be mine. Me even give them a dime for the up to the time. Them even say them want to be with a friend of mine.
So right there, so him tell us some man have your give girl money. Forget girl, him tell us him do it naturally, cause of them want him. So him they want to give them a dime for the up to the time. You know?
Them want to be mine. Me even give them a dime for the up to the time. Them even say them want to be with a friend of mine. Girl want me, no mind. If I your girl, never mind. Them won't go on.
Girl want me no mind. If I your girl, never mind. Just know say plenty more fishes in the sea. Go and get a different girl, cause your girl want me now. She gonna become my girl.
Time, them even say them want to be with a friend of mine. Girl want me, no mind. If I your girl, never mind. Them won't go on, know them do them and from borderline.
It no matter if I'm my friend or me. As long as we forward from borderline, that's what she want there. That's what she want hang out at daytime. Cause she want to one of the G them from half of the camp. You know what I think?
The friend of mine, girl want me, no mind. If I your girl, never mind. Them won't go on, know them do them and from borderline. No phone, no father feed them youth, I will follow mine. Sing a blinger, that's where we draw the line.
Some boy no father feed them youth, I will father mine. Sing a blinger, that's where they draw the line. So them now got have a youth on the earth and now that's what the G say.
Know them do them and from borderline. No phone, no father feed them youth, I will follow mine.
Sing a blinger, that's where we draw the line.
When girl want body, if you a work, stop work.
Yeah.
If you a study, stop study. When girl want body, make sure say she tan toddy. Drink baba, dash ready chubby.
When girl want body,
beat her booba till he study. Beat Jackie ride any money.
When girl want body,
them definitely know want quickie.
stiff cocky,
Couple leaky.
listen me.
Girl come up out more from papi.
Me stitch up her clad on the sewing
machine. Me TV screen get choppy. How come Jefferson's and what?
I can Texas range a Japan. You mad?
Stiff body blend up her sleeve. She say me cocky have calcium and protein. She breeze cocky like a 40. From her pussy tongue
no long like limousine. When girl want
body, if you a work, stop work. If you a study, stop study.
When girl want
body, make sure say she tan toddy. Drink baba, dash ready chubby.
When girl want
body, beat her booba till he study. Beat Jackie ride any money. When girl want body, them definitely know want quickie. Stiff cocky, couple leaky.
Listen me
again. Yo, up to the time. Girl see me and I say them want to be mine. Me even give them a dime for the up to the time. Them even say them want to be with a friend of mine. Girl want me, no mind. If I your girl, never mind. Them won't go on, know them do them and from borderline. No phone, no father feed them youth,
I will follow mine. Sing a blinger, that's where we draw the line.
When girl want body, if you a work, stop work. If you a study, stop study. When girl want body, make sure say she tan toddy. Drink baba, dash ready chubby.
When girl want
body, beat her booba till he study. Beat Jackie ride any money. When girl want body, them definitely know want quickie. Stiff cocky, couple leaky.
Listen me.
Girl come up out more from papi. Me stitch up her clad pan the sewing machine. Me TV screen get choppy. How come Jefferson's and Walker Texas range a Japan?
You mad?
Stiff body bend up her sleeve. She say me cocky have calcium and protein. She breeze cocky like a 40. From her pussy tongue not long like limousine. When girl want body, if you a work, stop work. If you a study, stop study. When girl want body, make sure say she tan toddy. Drink baba, dash ready chubby.
When girl want
body, beat her booba till he study. Beat Jackie ride any money. When girl want body, them definitely know want quickie. Stiff cocky, couple leaky.
Listen me. Bombard. Big up your teacher. Big up your teacher on a classic here. Guys, if you don't like and love the throwback series we're going, let me know no man. Just let me know no man. Enough more song there for doing no man. That's why sometimes I just give you a lot. Let me just take a little break. Let me forward again. But that song here is on the Good to Go rhythm by Dan. Dan. So big up yourself. Big up yourself, Dan. Yo, when this drop in a dog. When this thing first come out in the dog, man, yo, I'm telling the dog, this is a classic in the dog, like, no joke, you know. You see me? So, yeah. Big up the teacher. Big up the teacher. Them time a Black Cartel. Big up Black Cartel. From them time until now, you see me? So, yeah. Big up on yourself. If you enjoy what I go on, I don't know if you do already. I'm not have to spell it out. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right? Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.